Hello, my name is Ksenia Anis. Welcome to the class Radiant Red in the series Practical Palette. We will start with the most fun color today, red. If you want to better understand watercolor pigments, learn how to choose new colors for your palette, and how to mix and paint juicy radiant red without mud or dullness, this class is for you. Our subjects will be very juicy too. We will be painting vegetables. I think we can all agree that red is a very important color in our palette. Red means energy, passion, and romance. It can mean danger. Warning signs are usually red. Or it can mean something happy and festive. We associate a lot of the holidays with this color. In general, I think we can all agree that usually our eyes are drawn to this color. And that's really important in visual arts. Here I have a couple of examples. Red is the accent color in these portraits that's used to bring the viewer's eye to the focus point of each painting, which is the model's face. And I think this last meaning of red can be called universal as well. When we see something red, we perceive it as ripe and ready for us to eat. All right, let's talk about red. See you in the next video.